So we just had Imperial Star Destroyer land today. This is the old AMT kit. I think this is circa 84, 85 version. Right after Empire Strikes Back and Return of the Jedi. So I saw Return of the Jedi in the Philippines, so it had to be after Return of the Jedi. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we'll have a look at what's in the box. I built one of these when I was a kid, and it was a bad kit. Bad. So we're just going to have a look at it, but we're going to do something a little different. With this, we're going to do a step-by-step, showing one step in each video, exactly how to make this thing look as good or better than the Zvezda, without paying the Zvezda Revell price. Alrighty, this box was open. It was sold as new, but I'm not going to hold it against the guy because everything's still in plastic. And you know, people make mistakes. Whatever. I'm not so anal retentive I'm going to try to destroy somebody's reputation just because they make an error in judgment or mistype. Make a mistake. You know what I mean? Okay, so here's the bottom of the main body. You can see this is clearly about 15 inches long. 14, 15 inches long. Let's see. Yeah, just under 15, right between 14 and 15. Just under 15. Okay. So let's get a close look at the detail. Now what you've got here is a whole lot of cross hatching. You've got this checkerboard pattern more or less. That has to go. We're going to cut off and sand down all the erroneous detail, the checkerboard grid lines, and then add some fine detail with thin materials to boost the complexity of every part of this ship and make it look closer to the Zvezda. This will be lit, so we will be doing that. I will be coming up with my own detail parts, as in shuttle bays, hangar bays, engine bells, communications towers. Come on, focus. So, here are most of the main body parts. This kit is notorious for fit issues. Gonna have to cut this upper section off. This is the lower. This is the upper main hull. This is gonna all have to be cut out to lit everything that's on top of it. All of this goes on top of it. So yeah, we're going to be remaking this completely. I'll be printing up my own parts. I will not be buying Billy Bob Bumblefrac's parts. I will be making my own. I have a super high resolution model of this that's accurate to the studio model, and I will be pulling it apart and having certain items prototyped for this kit. All right, we will see more of this in the future.